So we had this Wander Lodge in that had an overheated engine. We replaced it with an engine he bought on Facebook Marketplace. And that engine, once we got it all swapped around and set up and installed, it turned out that it had been run with no oil filter in it. We took the oil filter housing down. It was one of the internal filters, and there had been no oil filter in it, and it had been run because it was black oil inside the housing. So it was definitely run. We did a bearing inspection on it. We dropped the oil pan and we checked the bearings, and they looked really rough. So he's scheduled to come back in and have us go through and replace all the bearings on the bottom end, just get a good look at everything. The engine's running strong. Doesn't have quite as much power as his old one had, so we're still looking into that. We're going to take it for a test drive and see what's going on. Yeah, here was all the bearings we replaced, main bearings and rod bearings. And they actually had cleaned up some. They weren't, the grooves had kind of polished a little smoother, but there's definitely still a lot of wear going on, so it's a good thing we went in there and did this. But here was the first startup on it. All right, let's go take it out for a test drive and see how it performs.
Full throttle right there.
Do it again on a flat here instead of going, that was uphill. It's like stop for a second here. And then do your full throttle acceleration. Yeah, it kind of crawls into it. So it definitely kind of crawls into it.
Yeah, done that. I don't
Stay wide on this here.
Asphalt pretty nice. You go the whole way?
100 grand to go the whole way.
100 grand? Holy smokes.
Where's your turbo boost gauge, just so I see it? It shouldn't be at 0. Barely going up, right?
Like 4 or 5.
Yeah, it should have been like 10, 12 at least right there.
Yeah, it's not getting throttle like it should.
Something was leaking oil on the road here. We're not even getting 5 pounds of boost.
No, not. Seems like when the engine warms up, it gets better.
You never got above 10 pounds of boost there.
Yeah.
It definitely does better when it is getting the more, you can feel it with the boost like right now.
Yeah. It takes it a few seconds to...
Yeah, but it's like it wasn't building the boost. That's really good acceleration right there. But you got boost right now. We're gonna turn left here.
Just go around the square.
Yeah. I got you at least 20% more throttle by moving that cable back, but you don't really feel any
I
improvement?
don't really feel much improvement at all.
Which leads me then to believe that it's not the throttle.
What else could it be? Low compression in the motor?
No, because it'd be smoking. How's your temperature running right now, by the way?
About 130.
Okay. Those gauges are so hard to monitor over there. Have we changed fuel filters at all on it?
I had it changed when I took it to Georgia.
Okay, so it's been changed at least once. A plugged up fuel filter can kind of cause that. Plugged up air filter can too, but it'd be smoking a lot of black smoke, and we're not blowing any smoke out.
I changed the air filter.
Okay.
Put a new one in.
Yeah, I said it's not blowing black smoke, so it's not that. But fuel filters could be it. But if you changed them, do you just have one fuel filter? You have two? You changed them both?
One, I know, the one on the back of the motor. There's not one underneath, I don't think. Well, I mean the one, the canister one.
Yeah, and then there's one on the motor.
That one I changed right before I left the house.
Okay.
About 12 pounds when it shifted. I get going down the highway, at like 50, 60, 55, 60 miles an hour, and I get the throttle, and it goes up past 15 to 16 or 17. But, yeah, I'm just starting out, and lagging the power. Definitely didn't have the power that last motor had.
No, you don't.
Oh shit, that thing falls off. That's about it.
We can. I don't recall. I can go back over the video footage and see. I mean, we would have what injectors we chose and
That's
why.
what I was thinking. I think the injectors that are in it are not high output fuel injector. There's one in that other motor and that bigger injector. I mean, it gets me down the road. So.
Do I have the old injectors or?
No, I got the heads. They're in the heads, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you might want to peek at what they are. You're off the driveway over here in the gravel. Stay wide to the left. You're way off. As soon as you get around the corner here, stop, and I'm gonna have you mash it again for a. What's the light that's on back there? That red light?
That check engine light comes on all the time.
Okay.
Just, I don't know what it's called. Some sensors.
Now that feels.
That's better.
Yeah. Okay.
But it does. Seems like when it warms up.
It does. That was clearly better.
Yeah.
Well, it is definitely getting more power when it's warmed up, and the boost is a little higher too. Not really sure what's going on. The injectors that were in this motor when he got it were 9S90s, and the other motor that he had 9G90s. Now, this should be metering the same amount of fuel, but there are more nozzles in the 9G90s, so it's a finer mist. That might be a little bit of a performance issue. He might get some better improvement with if we go back to the other injectors that he had in the old motor. Plus, we don't know how well those injectors are. Some of the nozzles may be plugged up. We didn't test injectors or anything, so they had been sitting for 20 years. So there could be an issue with that as well. But I think that's the next step: is replace the injectors on it and go from there. You got a little bit down the road at the truck stop, and you noticed an oil leak coming from the oil filter housing. We had replaced this with another new oil filter. Came with a new gasket for the bottom, and the new gasket had failed at the bottom of it. So we replaced the gasket and got it taken care of. We made it home with no other oil leaks or anything. Yeah, we have been out blowing leaves with our new leaf blower too. We got the new leaf blower attachment for the Silversides.